So I'm going to show you how to create viral, ultra-realistic video ads for your dropshipping store. And all you need is a laptop and a tiny bit of brain power to go ahead and do this. The thing that we can go ahead and have a look at is actually viral videos. I was just scrolling on my phone before, this popped up on my Instagram Reels, where they were talking about some product a footballer was actually seeing somebody else use on a flight. But you can use this same sort of example with AI UGC. We can replace that person with an AI creator, and we can have the rest of the video showing the product. Now, once we've got a script all together, we're going to use this one here and just go ahead and copy it and head to a site called MakeUGC. Now, MakeUGC allows you to create UGC creators made from AI. So we need to pick the appropriate creator for this kind of product. I think Riley's second version here would be really, really solid, but we're also gonna go ahead and use the second variant as a green screen background as well. So we'll just paste the script in, make sure everything looks good here, and we'll name this, and we'll go ahead and start to create that video. Now the generation has started. It's going to take about 3 minutes to go ahead and generate. Now we select Riley number 2. We paste the same script in. Just make sure everything looks fine. There we go. And we'll start creating that video as well. Now within 5 minutes, we're going to have 2 AI UGC videos ready to go rather than waiting a few days for a normal UGC creator. And it's super cheap as well. I think this is coming out at like $6 or $7 for a single UGC video, which is just insane. I got a little bit caught up after the gym, going through tons of different work, but now it's a few hours later and I actually generated another video as well, just to compare all the different variants from this same AI UGC creator. That means we're able to split test all of these ads at once. So let's jump in and actually see what they look like. This is actually the first time I've been seeing them as well, so I don't even know if they're good or not.
And gives me great long-lasting curls. It works on low heat waves, so it doesn't even buy food.
Okay, there's like a little bit of an error in the script there. It's probably me spelling something wrong. So I can go ahead and edit this video and actually regenerate some of these pretty quickly just using this editing feature. I can add some music if I want, but in this case, I don't think we need to. That's the only spelling mistake. So we can go ahead and regenerate there. And there we go. That will be done in just 3 minutes, which is really, really quick to go ahead and generate a new ad creative. Let's go on to the second video here.
It works on low heat waves.
Yeah, and like the spelling mistake, it's just one quick thing, but this editing feature is actually saving me quite a bit. Then as soon as they're done, we can go on and move on to the next one. But let's see what the third video actually looks like. This is fucking insane. This is a really, really solid ad. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one as I would normally use for UGC. I'm gonna go ahead and download this one anyway, and actually use this first video here for the back end of the script, so it can be the same person throughout, which carries on, and that will be more of a talking head style towards the end, because somebody who's watching the ad, they're gonna wanna know more about the ad itself, about the product, how it works, and that's where the second end of the script is all talking about. But this start here, we can show the product, we can use this as a green screen, I can just easily remove the background. And then all we have to do now is add some captions to this video, and we're more or less ready to go. Reduce the length down a little bit, make sure she's not saying anything. Okay, solid. And then all we have to do is download this now and test it anyway. We can change around with these captions more and more and repurpose these videos into already used UGC videos. Now, the main premise of this video, although the software company is mine, MakeUGC, and I've been spending months developing it with full teams and looking to improve it more and more by the day, the truth is, I believe the UGC space has changed forever now. And that's because this technology used is cheaper, faster, and more reliable than any other UGC creator before. Now, everything on MakeUGC is licensed, meaning that you can run it on different platforms as well. And if you do want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description.